Nissan has launched a new special version of its next-generation Pathfinder crossover called Rock Creek. The off-road adapted version will premiere at the New York International Auto Show on the 15th of April. The new Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek is identified firstly by the black grille, more massive bumper, and protective plastic cladding. In addition, 18-inch off-road tires are provided, and the clearance was increased by 16 mm to 195 mm. Reinforced luggage rails, capable of supporting up to 100 kilograms, are added to the roof. The Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek is available only in a 6-seat version with 2 separate second-row seats. The interior is lined with special fabric and leatherette with contrast stitching and Rock Creek logos. LED fog lights and a towbar are also included. The Pathfinder Rock Creek interior is covered in leatherette and cloth with embroidered Rock Creek logos on the seats, as well as orange contrast stitching all around. It comes with second-row captain's chairs, which are only available on the SL version with the premium package or in the top-end Platinum. Second-row passengers will enjoy the comfort of the standard captain's chairs, while the driver will be able to assess the Nissan Smart Monitor with off-road mode, which is fitted as standard. An 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system is standard and runs the latest version of the Nissan Connect software interface. A larger 9.0-inch display is standard on SL and Platinum models. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard and wireless connectivity is available on the top trims. A 12.3-inch digital display, onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless charging for smartphones, SiriusXM satellite radio, head-up display, and a built-in navigation system are all optional features. A pretty basic stereo system with 6 speakers comes as standard, but a Bose system with 13 speakers is available as an option. The Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek crossover is equipped with the same 3.5-liter gasoline V6 as the standard model, but the power has been increased from 284 to 295 horsepower and the peak torque has increased from 351 to 366 Nm. The 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive transmission are unchanged, but the suspension has been reconfigured for off-road use. The all-wheel drive upgrade also adds a choice of 7 driving modes, including sand and mud, rut off-road modes. On the test track, the front-wheel drive Pathfinder SL accelerated to 60 miles per hour in 6.7 seconds, while the all-wheel drive model took 6.6 seconds. In the US, sales of Nissan Pathfinder crossovers in Rock Creek modification will begin in summer 2022. Prices for the cars are not yet announced.